What's up, guys? Stevie Diamond Hands here, Trading Systems Simplified, and it is that time of the week once again for our weekly watch list. Guys, just be aware the weekly watch list are the key levels that I am watching for the week. They aren't necessarily my day trading levels, but you guys should mark these on your charts and watch them for the week. Now, as always with SPY here, ideally the key areas I'm watching right now are this 440 and 444, 451, and of course this gap here up at 453.5. Now, we did break this support at 444, so ideally if we could break under these lows at 442.6, we can certainly see 440, where I'd personally be expecting to bounce. But if we do open up Monday on a good note and we can reclaim this 444, we have some good room up for the week. I would personally like to see this 451 area and eventually the gap fill. In my opinion, I would like to be a little bit more bullish. I think the uptrend is still intact. But guys, these are the levels I will be watching for the week. Whatever way we go, obviously, right, I don't want to trade with a bias. If we can break this 442.68, I'll be looking for a bounce at 440. Just be aware though, this 442.6.7 is still support. We can very well bounce there as well. It's not really a key level I'm going to be watching for the week. I might watch it for a Monday morning to see if we bounce or break. But ideally the levels for the week are this 440, 444, 451. And if we could get back above this 451, keep in mind we did reject the gap fill last time at 453.5. It can certainly happen again. But if we do gain some bullish steam over the week and get above this 451, I'll be looking to try to fill that gap. Tesla is the next ticker on watch. Pretty basic chart here, right? No day trading levels as of now. But if we can get over 279, I think we could start to get into this gap fill. Just be aware, we can reject the gap fill. But this stock had a little bit more strength relative to the overall market. So I think we can probably get into the gap fill range at some point this week. But obviously, if anything happens and we go lower, it's fair to say under this 268.9, there's some room down to this kind of 265.5, and if we fail that, we can certainly see some room down into this gap to the downside, right? Either a bounce or break. Gaps can go either way. They're pretty easy to manage. If we start to fill into the gap, most likely it's going to fill the whole gap, and if we reject the gap, it's probably going to be a good rejection. But these are the weekly levels I have on Tesla. Again, not my day trading levels, but definitely key areas of interest. And last but not least, Meta. So Meta's back down to that 300 to 301.2. Ideally, I would like to see over 302. I think over 302 we have plenty of room into 305. 307, and then this 310 area. I would certainly like to see us back at this 312, 313 range, but ideally if we do break 300, we have room down to this 298.7, and under that we definitely have room down to 291. So those are my levels on Meta. Again, just a weekly watch list here, right? These are going to be the key levels I'm focusing on for the week. If you have any other day trading levels on these tickers, please be sure to leave a comment below. And as always, if you found value in this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.